Hi guys, so this week we need to talk about a big update that Twitter just made in an effort to decrease bot and spam traffic that their platform is seeing. It's something that all social media networks are challenged with, and in making updates to their platform to eliminate this, a lot of the times they make our job as marketers and advertisers a lot more difficult, especially for managing multiple assets where we're tweeting the same content. And that's specifically what this week's update has to do with. So for example, if you are a marketer utilizing a platform like TweetDeck and you're syndicating multiple content from one platform across multiple accounts, this is going to impact you very specifically, so listen up. So they're no longer allowing you to simultaneously post the same or even similar content across multiple accounts. So this means if you're saving and at the same time syndicating the same tweet across multiple platforms or multiple businesses, it's going to make it impossible for you to do that going forward. And the other thing here too is it's also going to affect your likes, your sharing, and your following through multiple accounts. So keep in mind this strategy as you're working on your upcoming marketing plans, because you're no longer going to be able to leverage the exact same content. You now need to create unique content. So if you are a marketing or advertising agency utilizing Twitter for your clients, this is a great opportunity to talk about how social platforms continue to update their technology, their performance, and try and rule out spam traffic, which really works for our clients in the long run. However, it's an opportunity for you to proposition your services and potentially have to renegotiate that strategy you're running for them, because that same content isn't going to affect them or benefit them the same way it had in the past. So keep that in mind, because we need to make sure we're having those conversations no matter how uncomfortable. I'm going to, in the next comment, mention to you the 3 things that you can see here at Twitter listed as what they're going to no longer permit on their platform as a quick and easy reference.